What's up, you guys? My name is Patrick. Thanks for checking back in at my channel. All right, you guys, I am super excited for today because we have all been in quarantine for the past 2 or plus months. And so, sad to say, I'm getting a little bit of cabin fever, you know? And so finally today, I get to get reunited with my cousin, you guys. I am super excited for this. I'm actually gonna go to her house and have brunch with her. And so I'm gonna go downstairs and prepare something. I don't even know what I'm gonna make yet, but I'll let you guys know. But of course, we're gonna practice social distancing. We're actually gonna get reunited in front of her house, on her front lawn. We're gonna try and sit 6 feet apart while we talk and get reunited. So I decided to make French toast. Alright, I'm gonna try to crack the egg with one hand. Wish me best of luck. Okay, okay, here we go. We're struggling. Alright, that did not work. There is a piece of shell in my egg. Okay, take that out. Alright, now I'm gonna use the chopsticks to mix my eggs. Yes, I'm using the chopsticks because my mom told me so, and low-key, it's the best cooking tool ever. Alright, then I'm gonna add the milk, cinnamon, and then now a piece of bread in the batter, and then on to the pan. French toast complete. Alright, you guys, that French toast looked bomb. Hopefully it will taste as good. But I'm gonna go and get ready right now because my hair is not done. I'm still in my pajamas, and so I'm gonna catch you guys when I am all put together. Alright, you guys, I am all dressed. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? It's time to go. So, reunion. It's time for the reunion. So I had everything packed in Ziploc bags, and I was just gonna put it in like a plain brown bag and go. But my mom was like, use the picnic basket. And so everything is neatly put in this picnic basket. And now it feels very official. And so now we can go on this reunion. All right, you guys, I have my mask on. I'm at her house. I am about to get out of the car and get reunited with her. So I'm really excited. Let's go, let's go. It's been too long. I'm at her front door. All right, Phybie. Reunion! Yes! Okay, so I have our picnic basket right here. Let's enjoy this picnic reunion.
Okay, so I actually have a surprise for you. So instead of just eating and having a picnic, we're actually gonna start painting.
Oh my gosh, no way! How cool! That's exciting. Yeah. We haven't painted in so long. Oh, this is a nice surprise. Alright, you can open the picnic basket, but first, hand sanitizer. Bam! Okay. And this is what I packed, you guys. A bunch of snacks. And of course, some Go-Gurt. Oh, and this is Phoebe's dog, Cassie. Hello, hello. Hi, how are you? You want some? You want some? Okay, maybe not. Okay. Alright, the yogurt right here. We got my French toast that I made. We got the Chick-fil-A. And of course, Phoebe's favorites, the nuggets with barbecue sauce. So we're out here, you guys. We are eating our brunch. We're getting caught up. And Phybie has a really great story that she wants to share with you guys because recently she visited a restaurant for the first time ever since the closure back like 2 months ago. And so I want to share with everyone, how was your experience?
So yesterday my dad, my boyfriend, and I, we went to Benihana. And it's where they cook in front of you and stuff, so it wasn't even like a normal restaurant experience. And so, yeah, you had to wear a mask when you went in. Obviously not when you were eating. The chefs were wearing a mask, and like the waitresses were and stuff, and then they couldn't like touch things that they were giving you. So
that's
like,
crazy.
Yeah. So they put it on a platter, and then they'd like give it to you.
That's wild to me. I haven't been that brave to actually step into a restaurant, and so hearing that from Phybie is just crazy. That the experience of like having, you know, waiters serve you is just totally different now, you know? All right, so Phybie gave me a canvas, so now I need to think of what I should paint on it. Because I'm going to New York soon, I want to paint something that's memorable between me and Phybie. But I can't think of anything. But the only greatest memory that has recently happened was when we went on a gondola ride, remember? Yeah. At the Venetian. Yeah. Didn't you have a good time?
Yeah, it was so much fun.
She hated the boat ride so much, you guys. She was on the boat, and what were you feeling?
The lady sang too close to my ear. She's too close to it.
But I thoroughly had a great time, and so I think I'm just gonna paint the gondola. And also because I've been to Italy, and so I think it's a great message of like travel and family And so, I just think that. All right, Phybie, but what are you gonna paint?
I have a sunset here. I want to do like a Lion King inspired thing.
Oh, that's cool.
But it's drying right now.
That's really cool. That's really cool. Good idea. Good idea. What are you gonna put on it though? Like the lion?
I don't. Well,
Was that Mufasa?
I was gonna Rafiki.
Oh, Rafiki.
I was gonna do the Hakuna Matata, but then I decided I might do it on the picture that I'm referencing off. They have an elephant. I might do that.
Oh, okay. So we just finished painting, you guys. What do you guys think? This is my gondola in Venice, and this is Phybie's motivational quote. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? All right, you guys, that's the end of my vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really enjoyed our time together because after 2 months of being inside and having no contact with anyone, I'm so happy to see a family member again. And so thank you so much for the surprise, Phybie. I love painting and having brunch, so thank you.
Yeah, of course. Thanks for coming over.
All right, you guys, that's it. My name is Patrick, and as always, make sure to go out there and be a winner.